So you want to get rid of the title column. Any particular reason? Just don't like it. You know, it's easier if you use it, right? Still don't want to see it. You don't want to see it in the list view, and you don't want to see it when you fill out a new item. Okay? Stick around. We're going to show you how to hide that pesky title column from all the places.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward.
Okay, let's get that timer rolling. All right, we got this list here, we got the title, and when you add new item, it shows title. You want to see that? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the list view, you're going to hit the drop down for title, go to column settings, you're going to say hide this column. But, oh snap, what happens if we go add a new item? Oh, bam, it's there. We don't want that. We're going to go up here at this little drop down, edit the columns, deselect title, click on save. We're going to cancel this item. We're going to just refresh our browser. We don't see title here. Oh, really? For real? Let's try it again. Oh my gosh. Wow, it took a long time. Now we add a new item and it's not there. Boom, you did the thing, even though it took a while. All right, so let's slow it down a little bit and talk about what's crack-a-lacking here. But before we do that, take a moment to say thank you to everyone who has liked, shared, and subscribed. Take a minute, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you can know as soon as new videos are available. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on here. And in the process of doing that, I'm gonna add things back. So if you remove them, I'm gonna show you how to reverse it. So let's start with the form, with the list form. Notice we got rid of it here, but if we go to the drop down, edit columns, and we can add it back in. I'm supposed to be able to drag this so that, hey, come on now. There we go. And then click save. And there we go. Now we got title, author. And I'm going to cancel this because I'm not saving that particular item. And I just want to verify that when I go add new item again, that it is in the proper order. There we go. So that's how you add it back to the list form. And if you want to add it back to the list view, we can go add column. We'll go show hide. And it is a default column title. And we'll drag it up there, apply. And now it is back. We'll hit refresh. And we can see it is rocking and rolling. So from time to time, maybe you do not want to use the title column. Maybe you really dislike it for whatever reason. Again, as I have always said, if you can use it, use it. It just makes life a little bit easier. However, if you don't jam with it, then you can get rid of it. So quick review. There's two places you have to get rid of it though. There's the view. Okay, so the list view, and then there's the form. So we'll go back to the list view. We can just hit the drop down for the particular column you want to hide. Go to column settings, hide this column. That's the most direct way to make that happen. And I'm going to hit refresh just to see, just to make sure. Yep, okay, it's gone. And then there's the other spot in the actual list form when you're adding new items. So we click add new item. We want to get rid of title or whatever, hide whatever column you want. Go up here to the edit form drop down. We'll edit the columns. We'll deselect. We can also move things around. And then we'll click save. And we're not going to save here because that'd be saving the list item. But we just want to cancel out of that. Again, we're going to hit refresh. And then we're going to add new item. And we should be good to go. There you are. So hopefully this helps you in your quest to get rid of the title column. Don't hate on the title column. It's a great column. Make peace with it. Become friends with it and use it. All right, with that, hope this helps. Remember, do the very best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward. Yeah, I'm a